Hello, today's a very exciting day for Travels with Ash because it's the first flight of a long trip. Yes, today we're going to Doha, British Airways business class. We are going on a Boeing 787-1000 Club Suite. It's only a year old. Do you want to see what it's like? Right then, here we are, Southern Lounge, BA Terminal 5. Should we have a look around, shall we? Do a quick lounge tour as we're here? I mean, we've done this a few times now, haven't we? So we're pretty clear on what it is, but nevertheless, let's have a look around, shall we? As you could tell, that was the coffee station. And over here we have the bar. TV station. Now, this is a busy lounge these days. I mean, it has been busy for a few years, but yeah, this is a Friday afternoon. It's fairly busy time to travel, I suppose, but you know, if you're travelling as a family of four, you're not going to find it easy to get a seat. Now, whether that changes in due course, once all the changes to the what used to be the executive club have flowed through, whether that makes this place a bit quieter, who knows? We shall see. But anyway, as you can tell, it's Christmas, so that is reflected in the decorations, but here we are. More coffee. Let's get to the food. What have we got on? Don't tell me. Pie. Of course there's pie. Look at this. Turkey. Bit of Christmas dinner. Salads. It's okay, isn't it? Keep full up. There's the way in, way out. Guest services over there. Now, ordinarily we would have gone to the B gates and the lounge that's over there, but some of our party wanted to come to this lounge, so we thought, go on then, for a change we'll come here. Now, as it happens, I'm pretty sure our plane's is going to depart from B gate, but we'll pop over there a bit later on. The amount of coffee they must get through in this place must be remarkable to have this many places. Anyway, what are we looking at here? Not much to see at this time of night, is there? So there we have it. There's the lounge. Right then, here we are. We finally made it to our seat 5A, Club World. What have we got? We've got orange juice, first class in there. Maybe next time. What do you think? Quick seat tour? I reckon so. Okay. There's your screen. There's the table. Very nice too. No, thank you. What else have we got? We got amenity kit, headphones, water, little thing. Hello. Shallow little thing. There we go. Power seems to work. Hooray! Little controller. Down here. Seat controls. Flatbed there. Definitely try that out later. What else have we got? What else have we got? We've got the little cubby there for our feet. We've got storage down there. Quite a deep one. Going around, going around.
No problem.
Got the famous door. Locked at the minute, but it'll come back later. That's plenty of leg room, isn't it? And of course, it wouldn't be a seat tour, would it? Oh dear. No air nozzles. And the only other thing I don't like, I think you probably guess, I'm on 787, so I'm bound to moan about it, aren't I? I don't want people to control whether it's light or dark. I want to be able to control that. It's not cool. However, it is going to be comfortable. See you later. Okay then, let's have a look at the amenity kit, shall we? What have we got? What have we got? We've got information, that's a bit dull. We got pulse point, the usual pulse point. We've got socks. Yay for socks. Eye mask. Very nice. What else have we got? Moisturizer. Lip balm. Earplugs. Dental kit. And that's about it. There you go. Let's have a little look at the menu, shall we? A tipple from the bar, some cocktails, yes, mocktails, spirits, liqueurs, beers. Okie dokie, that's all seems fine, doesn't it? What's next? So, salmon to start, or burrata to start, or indeed soup to start. Burrata, I think. Main course, ooh, tricky. Lamb, chicken, or pasta? Lamb, I think. Desserts, ooh, crispy chocolate and hazelnut praline bar with salted caramel. Bread and butter pudding, or cheese. I can't decide on that, I'm afraid. And the bread. Breakfast on the fly. This is quite a short flight, 6 hours 12, so I'm not sure I'm going to have time for dessert. Not for dessert, for breakfast. I don't know, I'm not going to feel like it in 5 hours, am I? It's only just gone dinner time. Anyway, first world problems, eh? Let's have a quick look at the entertainment, shall we? The best bit, of course, the moving map. There we go, we've got 4 hours yet to run. There you go, you get a bit of information. Pilot's head-up display, let's have a look. Wow, there we go. which there are many, 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 many movies. There we go. Let's just have a list of the lot. All movies. Look at this. There's got to be 300 movies on here. Wow, that'll keep me going for ages. And there's TV, there's Paramount Plus, all that sort of usual stuff. There's even Wi-Fi. At the moment, it's still the paid version, but at some point, Starlink will arrive and it'll be free. And at that point, who knows? Maybe I'll use it. See you later. Okay then. Starter has arrived. You'll remember I ordered the burrata. Look at that. With some rather nice looking tapenade as well. Well, let's see, shall we? That's delicious. Seriously nice, that. I'm going to demolish all of that, no problem. Very good. Right, leave me to it. Thank you. Main course has arrived. Lamb. 2 lots of with rice. Let's have a go at this. Now, I should probably confess, lamb is my favourite thing, maybe in the world, in terms of things to eat. This looks good. I think I'm going to enjoy this. Let's have a look. It's not as spicy as I thought. Oh, maybe. There it goes. There it goes. Yeah. Another thing I'm going to completely demolish. Okay, here we go. The things I do for you guys. I don't really want this, but I'm going to give it a try. Raspberry, chocolate coin, and this is a hazelnut praline with salted caramel. That's nice, it's not too sweet. Give it a little try. I don't think I'll eat all that though. A bit full now. See you later. Alright then, it's nearly time for a bit of shut-eye. So let's have a quick look at the bedding, shall we? What do we get? We get a big fluffy pillow. That's actually really, really big, really fluffy. And then we get this sack of stuff. Find the zip, open it up, see what we get. Okay, we've got a blanket, quite soft, and a mattress topper. Well, let's see what it looks like made up as a bed, shall we? Good morning. So there we are. We've had about 3.5 hours sleep, maybe. Quality of sleep, not bad at all, really. Flat bed. Yeah, I'm a side sleeper, so yeah, I've actually found it fairly easy to get into a good position. Thankfully, the cabin wasn't too warm, which is always the fear when you don't have your own air nozzles. So it was quite a comfortable temperature to get some sleep. So 3.5 hours, and all of a sudden, bing bong, good morning, 40 minutes to land. So that probably brings us to a summary of this flight then. There's actually about 20 minutes still to run down into Doha, and yeah, let's summarise this flight, shall we? I think this flight probably shows what BA can do when they're actually on their game, because the crew can be a bit patchy, but I must say this one, top notch actually. Every single interaction positive. They were very responsive. They were very frequently in touch. More drinks, anything we could do to help. It was actually a pleasure to fly with them. And the actual hard product, the seat and everything, spot on, tip top. We're going to land on time, and we're landing in having had a night of comfort. So, all in all, great flight. Definitely do this one again. Highly recommend it. So, hope you enjoyed the vid. Please remember to subscribe and like, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.